how to set the color correction to Deutan, Protan, Tritan or Grayscale on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. After that, tap on vision enhancements. Now go down and then tap on color correction. Then scroll down and choose whether you want to use Deutan, Protan, Tritan or Grayscale. Select one of the available options. Now to make use of color correction, you also need to turn it on as well. If you don't turn it on, then it will not make any changes. So here you can see, if I switch it off, this is what it looks like originally. And then if I turn on, it will apply one of your selection down here. So if I choose Grayscale, then your screen will look like in Grayscale color. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.